Hey y'all, so we're jumping right into this recipe of my Cajun ground turkey and shrimp gumbo. So I would recommend personally watching a separate video if you don't know how to make roux, because I didn't spend a lot of time going into detail because the process can take a long time. But long story short, the basics of it is you're going to warm up your oil, and then you're going to add equal parts oil and flour to the pot, and make sure that you stand over it. That's the key. Stand over it, stir it, take good care of it until it turns a dark color. You don't want to walk away. You don't want to go tend to your kids. You don't want to go take a shower or whatever. You want to make sure that you truly babysit this. So if you need a babysitter for your kids, then do that, or put them in the high chair while you do this process, because once you burn it, you will have to start over all over again, and this process is a long process. So watch a professional video that's more detailed so you can get this down, because this is the foundation of your gumbo. So this is my andouille sausage that I'm using. This rated a great score on Yuka, so I want to show you guys the personal brand that I used. It tastes really good too, nicely seasoned already. But I'm going to add in a little bit more of my Creole seasoning on top of it. I also have my bell peppers, onions, and celery ready, aka my Trinity. These are like small items that you can be doing while doing the roux. Like I said, you just don't want to step too far away from it and you get distracted. So right now I'm sauteing that and making it nice and brown color. And then we'll be on to the next step. This is the third part of the turkey that I'm using in my turkey series. So the first night I made ground turkey nachos and tacos. The second day I made ground turkey homemade turkey sausages. And then this is the third part of that. So I'm really getting my bang for my buck for my oversized turkey pack that I had. So I'm going to show you which seasonings I'm using to season this. I'm not going too heavy because everything is being seasoned in a dish. So it's no need to over season every part. Because when you put it all together and you do that, you realize that you have a highly seasoned, salty dish. So just be mindful when seasoning different components that are all coming together, if you didn't already know. I'm talking to more so of the beginners. Next, I'm showing you all the transitions of my roux color. A mistake that I did make was accidentally boiling it, and that turned into a different texture at the bottom. So it looked fine at the top, but at the bottom it was a little bit burned. So be careful not to have your heat too high. So now, once the color is achieved, I'm adding in my Trinity, and I'm getting that all coated and stirred around. And yes, my heat is still on. Once you saute that for a little bit, you can go ahead and add in your other proteins of choice. I'm adding in my chicken broth. You can use whatever broth you want, seafood broth, veggie broth, and then I'm adding in like a cup of water on top of it. And then I'm adding my favorite seafood base, which is this lobster base from that brand specifically. And I'm getting that all incorporated. Now I'm adding in my bay leaves. Make sure you take that out when this is all done. Don't leave it in there, rule of thumb. And now I'm going to season my mixture. So I let that simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I have my shrimp with the Old Bay seasoned on there. And once it is ready and the flavors are there, then you'll add in your shrimp at the end. If it's, oh, I forgot I added okra too. So yep, so shrimp, okra right at the end. Sorry, I can't speak right now. And voila. Oh, don't forget to cook your rice too. And if you want a low carb option, cauliflower rice. But that sums up this video. I hope that you try it. It's super easy, and I hope that you enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe, or if you have any gumbo tips that you like to use. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoy my videos and have suggestions on any other future videos you would like for me to do. See y'all. Sending love, grace, positivity, and peace. Bye.